What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It is Dwood here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get a 10-minute natural soft glam look. Now, whenever I know I have to wake up early, I have somewhere to be really early in the morning, but I still want to do my makeup, I'll take my products from my actual big makeup collection and put everything that I plan to use in a smaller makeup bag like this one. And I mean, this is just the smallest one that I have. It has a little brush compartment also, so I can put all the brushes that I want to use and all of the makeup that I plan to use. The key to being able to do your makeup really fast and doing a routine like this is knowing what you want to play up and what doesn't really matter the most. For me, it's my under eye, and if I don't have to wear a mask, it'll be my lip. But since we have to wear a mask everywhere, I just kind of don't do a lip. The only reason I did a lip today was for the purpose of the video. I didn't want to come to y'all with no lip. But yeah, I like to focus on my under eye, and that's like my main feature that I like to play up is my under eye. If you have a lot of texture, maybe that may be something that you want to focus, more on. If you have dark spots or, hyperpigmentation, maybe that's something that you would like to focus on and spend most of your time there versus on your under eye, if that's not really your thing. Just keep in mind that this is my routine. This is what works for me. This is what makes me feel pretty. If there's something that you don't feel like you need or something that doesn't really matter to you, take it out, swap something else in. And once you do this over and over, you'll get more into a habit. It'll just start to flow a bit better and make a little more sense. Of course, if you like this video, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe if this is your first time here. If this is not your first time here, welcome back. Let's go ahead and get into this video. Alrighty guys, so I am going to go ahead and start a 10-minute timer. Can you see it? So I figured out this routine when I used to work first shift at a hotel, and I think my shift started at like 7, and I live on the outskirts of the city, and my job was inside of the city, so I had to leave really early for work. But if you ever worked in hospitality, you have to look presentable, like you have to look good. This was my little routine that I would do to get me in and out real quick, and I'll be on my way. All right, so we're clicking start. Boom. Okay, so I do have all of my stuff laid out over here in a small makeup bag, and I think that's important to have an everyday makeup bag and like an actual makeup collection, I guess you could say. I've already done my skin prep because that's something I do straight out of the shower or after I brush my teeth, so that's not an issue for me. Now, I do like to wear foundation, but I don't put a lot. The more you put, the more you have to blend. So I personally just start in the inside of my face and work the product out. I also don't want to edit this portion of the video. I want y'all to see exactly what I do. So yeah. Boom, you can already see I look 10 times different already. Good morning. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do some concealer. Also, I don't really know what shade this is. I know it's the e.l.f. Hydrating. I don't know what color it is because I just pick it up and start using it. So today I'm actually going to a meeting, so I want to look put together. I want to look professional. I want to look like I actually care. So that's what we're doing today. Also, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all my makeup bag at the end, but I lay all my brushes out by what type they are. So I only have 2, 4, 6, 7 brushes actually. I use 7 brushes and a sponge. The sponge kind of makes all the blending easier, so I don't have to sit there and try to make everything like super crisp and super perfect with the brush. When I'm doing my makeup quickly, I literally Don't, and I think my mom is about to come in here. Come in, I'm filming. Good morning.
Oh, okay, good morning. How are you?
I'm good. I'm not editing this part of the video, so say good morning to my people.
Good morning.
That's my mom, y'all. 11. Yeah. Why'd you whisper it? It's not being edited, so whatever you say is on here, girl. I'm doing a showing them. Wait, I want to talk to you real quick. I'm going in with concealer. Y'all know I like a bright under eye, so I'm just adding a little bit. So I'm doing like remember when I used to work at the hotel, the makeup routine that I used to do, super quick, super easy. That's what I'm showing them how to do.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Alrighty, girl. We can close it. Love you.
Love you.
Part of my soul knew that was gonna happen, and I was like, I should just wake her up and tell her. But I didn't want to wake her, so obviously didn't do that. Okay. See how awake I look already? Alright, I'm going in with a little bit of powder. I should use my blush brush to do this part. Yeah. I don't have extremely oily skin, but I plan to bake a little bit later on in this routine. So I'm just putting the smallest bit of powder. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do some bronzer. So I'm already at 5 minutes, y'all, and I'm literally almost done. Y'all know me, blush and bronzer whore. So this is a necessity for me personally. We will work on the nose a little later. And then I'm gonna take my foundation brush just to blend this out so that there's no harsh lines. Because even though this is quick makeup, we still need it to be neat. Okay. I'm gonna do a little bit of blush. And when I do these quick makeup looks, I like to focus my blush on the apples of my cheeks because it just makes it look 10 times more natural. See how pretty. I hit my nose a little bit, hit my chin. Perfect. I'm gonna do a little bit of baking. I'm using the RCMA No Color Powder. This is a safe powder because it doesn't leave a flashback. It wipes away nice and easy, so it just makes it quick and flawless at the same time. Okay, I add a little bit more on this side. This is just if you want that effect. For my brows, I am filling them in just a little bit. Just brushing them. And I'm literally only doing this to make them a bit darker. I don't focus too much on them, because I'm gonna take a brow gel and see the beauty of quick makeup. You see how I just wipe that off? I'm gonna thicken this up a little bit. I don't focus on making them look too perfect. I just do what I do, right? And then I'm gonna take a lighter brow gel and sweep it through the front and then a little bit through the tail. Run my finger through it so it's not too strong. Same thing here. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna take a little bit of bronzer in my crease. Perfect. I'm not gonna focus on my lip because we have to wear a mask. So, you know what that means. It's gonna rub off. Take a little bit of this red color here. Okay. I'm gonna do mascara. Why can I never open this? There we go. A lot of times I wear glasses, so whenever I'm wearing my glasses, I really do like to make my eyelashes pop because it just gives my face a little bit more pizzazz. I don't know what pizzazz means. But it definitely helps. I'm gonna take a small brush with a little bronzer and okay, I'm gonna wipe off this bake. Let's see how much time we have. We are pretty much done, girl, and the timer's about to go off. Look at that. Take a little bit more blush. And that's that, girl. Alrighty, so all I'm really gonna do from here, I'm gonna put my do-rag back on and I'm gonna spray my face. See, look how cute I look. So simple. I'm doing this because I don't want my edges to get messed up. And then I'm gonna spray my face. And I'm really dousing myself because I want this to look as natural, and I just want to look as natural as possible. So actually what I think I'm gonna do, just for the sake of the video, because normally I would not put on the lip, like in the times that we're living in right now, I would not, because it's literally just gonna rub off. Unless I'm gonna take pictures, I would not put on the lip. But like I said, for the sake of the video, I will go ahead and put a lip on for y'all. When I used to work in hospitality, we did not have to wear masks because it wasn't pandemic time. Now that we are, if I had to like go to an actual job, I probably would not put a lip on either. Such a pretty nude. And then I'm gonna take, I used to have a lip gloss line, and this was one of the glosses from it. I had like maybe 6 glosses left that I kept for myself / I did not sell. Perfect. So pretty. I need this to dry down though. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my outfit and then we'll talk. I also want y'all to know I'm literally not going to add anything to this face. It's staying just like this. I don't want y'all to think that I'm doing anything off camera because I'm not. Alrighty guys, so this is the finished look. This is my little outfit. The look is super simple. And if there's something that you don't like, swap it out, sub something in. This is what works for me. This is what makes me feel pretty. especially once my hair is done. That's why I like to do my hair first and then my makeup, because once my hair is done, like, I'm already feeling like that girl. But anyway, I'm talking too much. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to another video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give me a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if this is your first time here. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you were able to take something from it and apply it to your own makeup routine. And that is all I have for y'all, so I will see y'all in the next video.